Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm back. It's 2024 and for this video we're going to the thrift store because there are three little things that I want. No, little things. Two little things and one bigger thing. One is the thing you put under. Ooh, it's so windy. I don't know if you can hear it. It's really windy. So I'm looking for the thing where you can put a little candle in and you can put your teapot on top of it so it stays warm for longer. That's what I'm looking for. And I'm looking for a little plant table, side table thing for a DIY that I saw. And also we have like a new whole Billy bookcase thing, and we still have a lot of empty shelves. So I want to see if there's some cool books, maybe some like Disney books and just like pretty books, not the children's books, but the very pretty ones. So I'm going to look for that. So of course I'm going to look at the other stuff too. And so I'm just a really big fan of baskets. I don't know why, but they're so convenient and cheap also here at the thrift stores. This is €1. Oh, I have some of these also. 75 cents. Okay, also I see this one and it is €1, and I think if I paint this it could be really pretty. Is it sturdy? Yeah. It's also a Monday, so it's really nice and quiet. I love it. So it's every time I'm at a thrift store I see these little bears. I don't know if they're from the 80s or something. I always think there's something fun you can do with them. It's like, this one is $1.50. This one is €2. I think at different thrift stores they're even cheaper. But I still haven't thought of anything to do with them. Maybe like make a creepy Halloween thing out of them. Maybe in the future I will think of something. Also again here you can bid on some stuff. Oh, I see things I had when I was younger. With the special stones. Oh, they even have a 7-Up sign. How much is it? It's number 7. It's €65 is bid now. Okay, so also I here see this one. It's a lot smaller. And this is €6.50. Maybe because it's like real wood or something, but it's much more expensive than the other one I have here. Okay, so I just walked by this one and it is so beautiful. The key isn't here, you can get it somewhere else. But it is really cool for displaying stuff. Ooh, this one is open. It's a really nice one, but it's quite expensive. It's $125, so it's for the big thing. It's not expensive, but it's really beautiful. Okay, so now we're walking towards the books. So let's see if they have some pretty ones for the closet. Oh, I can smell the toasties, the grilled cheese from the food corner. Let's see. Is there something I like? So because we're in Friesland, there are a lot of Frisian books here, so that's pretty cool. What we have here? Because we want some pretty books, but we also want books that are nice to just open up and have a little look in. Not just there sitting and being pretty. Maybe this is fun. I see an old Pinocchio book. That's cool. This one is €1. It is really old. Let me open this. Oh. Previously it was Geertje Dalstra, her book. Oh, it's for stickers. Cool. I didn't have too much luck with the books and it was very crowded. But maybe I can find the thing for underneath the teapot here somewhere. But there was also an older lady that complimented my tattoos. She thought it was henna. She really liked it. Is here anything I want? There's a lot. Enough, but I don't know what it is, but it looks interesting. It's €2. It's pretty. I think I'm going to have better luck here with the teapot thing. So let's see. Okay, so I'm collecting Disney mugs, but I don't really like this one. It's a little bit too in your face, but it's fun that they have Disney mugs again. I see the things I'm looking for. Yay. Okay, these are the old ones. At least they're not like really ugly. Is this another? Oh, I don't know if I want a white one. This would be €1. But I really don't know if I want a white one. Oh, wait, I found the other ones from glass. But I am missing the little thing on top. But at least it's good to know that I have a lot more. But with missing parts. Okay, so we also want to display some little treasures in the new Billy closet. I don't think this is going to be one of them. I do like these. These are cute. €1.50, but he's missing a tusk. There's another one. Oh, with something moving there. Also missing a tusk. €1. Okay guys, I'm going to give you some nightmare fuel. Are you ready? You can look away in 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! What is this? Ooh. Okay, and they want you to pay. Wait. Pay €1.25 for this. Okay, so I did not find a teapot thing. I did not find some books. So maybe I can still find a side table, hopefully. Okay, it does not look like they have any side tables here. No, but they have her. You're pretty. I think this is such a pretty table. This one is €55. Oh, with the lovely legs. Would not know where to put it, but it's really lovely. Okay, so last chance to find some little treasures that we can put in the new closet. I saw something, €7. Ooh. Okay, I really love this. This is all wood. All of the tusks, oh sorry, all of the tusks are there. Oh, he's missing an eye. And I guess it's something o'clock. Ooh, should I get this? Ooh. Would Julian like this? I really don't know, but I really love it. And I can replace the little missing eye or just put him a little bit like this. Or maybe even, nah, like this. Hey, 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 hey. Careful, careful, careful. Hi. Okay, so these have to go. This one can go. This one too. Take it. Me. You. Okay, so here are my lovely assistants. Are you going to help me? Yeah? Okay, so first thing I'm going to get out. Hi. is this one. Let's see. So I saw this one and it's so big and it's only €2.50. Let's see, like this is my hand. It's like twice the height of my hands. And it's very deep. So I'm really happy with this one. And also, have to be careful with this one. It is a little snack. Ooh, and just as I had this one in my hand, there was a couple behind me and I heard the woman saying like, oh no, she has a snake. And I was like, yes, it is mine. Oh, sorry. You think it's creepy? No, okay, that's good. So, and this one, as you saw, is €7. And I thought maybe it can fit in there, but it's a little bit too high. Yeah. But it's so cool. And I got one little book, and that is from the Bloopers. And I saw this as a kid. I still have the videotapes, and I really love them. And I thought this was just so cute with the drawings of them. So nostalgic. And this one was 50 cents, so I just had to get it. And the last thing was, I think the first thing I picked out, and it is this, how do you call it, coaster tray thing. And I just don't like the color, but I am going to do something with that. Hello. Okay, so apparently they like it. She really loves to sniff things. So, and this one was €1. So here's everything I got. And over here we have this new Billy closet. And we still want to have some doors here. And on top we want to have some of the separate little square things. So it will be black around the brown. And I think it's going to be really nice. And we have some random things in here now. But let me get the snack. Okay, as I'm holding this, I don't even think it's going to fit. I think we have to rearrange the planks a little bit. Oh, just, oh no. But if we move a plank up or down, it will fit in there. And of course I have to ask Julian if he likes it. But I do really love it. It's so cool. Sorry for the squeaking. Hi, Palooza. Now, thank you guys so much for coming with me on this little thrift store adventure, and I really hope you liked it. And if you liked coming with me, please push the like button, and if you want to subscribe to my channel, because it helps me out a lot. And I think next time I'm going to do something with the tray, so stay tuned for that. See you next time. Bye. Hi. Oh no.